Hey, what's up guys, NateVlog here. Welcome back to my channel, Groovy Vibes. So today, check this out. We got ourselves the Rockin'Green sneaker cleaner kits. Yeah, from Amazon. Alright. Well, it's about that time where I start heading out. Travels time, yep. So we gotta get the shoes all cleaned up. So anyways, Amazon, they highly recommended this, so I was like, alright, yeah, let's go ahead and get this because my shoes needed cleaning. Also, I'm gonna bring this over there because, yeah, my shoes get so dirty, especially when walking around over there. Yeah, they scuff up. So anyways, this includes one shoe brush, one sneaker cleaner. Yeah, that's it. That's all there is. Okay. Alright. So soak the brush in water to saturate the bristles, and then apply a small amount of the sneaker cleaner on the brush, and then go to work. Start cleaning. Alright, so let me show you the shoes that I'm dealing with here. So these are right here, the low 77s, and this is my go-to shoe all the time, especially when I'm wearing white, and these are the dirtiest. So these need a cleaning. I've had these actually, yeah, 1 year so far. 1 year, and honestly, yeah, they're starting to fall apart. So I think when I come back, I'm gonna just get a whole new pair of these. But yeah, so we got these ones to deal with. Also, these ones, which are my first Nike pair. These are the Kill Shots, and yeah, I mean they're a little dirty, but not as bad as those white ones. Next are these ones, my newest, the Nike Legacy Quartz, or Court Legacy, whatever they're called. And yeah, these are a little dirty, but well, go ahead and start cleaning all of these. Got to get to work here. So we'll first start out with these. Oh my god, look at that, hella dirty. Jeez, I even had to glue them back together, the bottoms here. Oh god, yeah. Alright, so we got ourselves a warm bucket of water. Hey, we're not doing skincare this time, alright? We're doing shoe care. Alright, open this up. Alright, Rockin'Green. So yeah, literally just the brush, that's the size of it, and here's the shoe cleaner. That's it, right? That's it. That's it. Alright, I'm gonna make a mess here. So, open this up. Soak it in the bucket. That should be good. Open this up, squirt it on. Uh-oh. That's right, this is new, so we gotta take this off here. Yeah, now we can start work cleaning. Come on now. Okay. Alright, here we go. So before, let's see it after. Oh yeah. Yeah, I see a difference. There we go. A little more water, huh? Oh wow. Hey, this stuff works. Look at that. Get nice soaked up. Wow. Especially the front here. See all that? Oh gosh. Yeah. Oh wow. These are turning hella white. Damn. That's what I'm talking about. Uh-oh, right here. Yeah. See how that's coming along? really get in there. This is where all the dirties are, right in the front here. I guess we'll get the back here as well. Bottom of the shoe. Yeah, that's important as well because I'm gonna be putting these in my luggage. All right, we don't want to get my luggage all dirty, right, next to my clothes and all. So we're scrubbing it. Wow. Okay, there we go. So we got the paper towels here. Let's just take all this soap off and see how it turned out. Whoa! Whoa! It still needs a little back here more, but yeah. Hella white. Hella white. Look at the difference. Look at how dirty that is. Look at that one. Wow. Almost brand new. Almost. Still need to scrub a little more. Yeah. Alright. Remember, we tried that one a long time ago. That little, like, circular shoe cleaner from the Dollar Tree. Yeah. Hey, for $1, it works, but, you know, fell apart pretty easily. Yeah. Alright. I think I need to do another round of this, but, yeah. Okay. Let's get this one going. So anyways, let's talk about what's going on and where am I going? Well, it's that time. It's been 5 months. Came back from Cambodia and oh, we need to get some more of this on there. Well, last time it took me 4 months to get back. This time 5. Just wanted to pay off more of the credit cards and stuff like that, save up more. A lot of stuff to buy as well. And yeah, very excited to head back. And especially having nice clean shoes. Yeah. Whoa. So, honestly though, being sick this last week really made me really worried. I was like, oh no, come on. All this time being here and I have to get sick on the week that I'm going. How does that even happen? Usually I get sick over there, not here. So just been trying to feel better, staying at home, resting. And yeah, packing as well, just trying to get everything set just in case I am really ill. I have that all done with. So yeah, last step is just pretty much just putting the rest of the clothes in the suitcase and these shoes. Yeah, so the back here, this back as well. I wonder if I'm supposed to let it sit on the shoes, you know, just see through more. Oh, is it my eye? Oh god, almost, jeez. Oh, that would have hurt. That would have hurt. Alright, chemicals. Yeah, I think I'll just let these just sit for a while I work on the other ones. Paper towel, clean up as we go. Alright, now we will work on the second most worn shoe I have here. Nike Legacy, Court Legacy, Nike. Yeah. So of course I got this for the black outfits, whatever I'm wearing with black. Yeah. Usually wear this while I'm playing basketball on the weekends. Okay. Yeah, not bad. Easy clean here. Always like taking care of my shoes. Normally I just take the dish soap and a dish sponge and just start cleaning from there. spot in the front here. Damn. Come on. You see that? It's coming off. Yeah. Something like that. All right. Yeah. Okay. Put this one off to the side. Okay. Now this one. Yeah. See, not that bad. It's not that bad. Only had these for I think half a year. Just a quick scrub. Yeah, not much to it here. Alright, yep. Moving along, almost done here. And the last pair, the Kill Shot, which is my oldest pair. And yeah, wear this with my blue and white outfits. Don't really wear these too much, but you know, when the time comes, slap these on. Yeah, quick scrub here. Not that bad. Alright. Yep. Last shoe. Alright. Ooh, the bottoms though. The bottoms here. Let's scrub that. Oh god. What the hell is that? See that? No, you can't see that. Right here, some type of black spot. Take care of your Nikes, alright? Expensive shoes. Okay, done. Yes. Alright. Put this down. Clean up. Oh my gosh. Wow. Alright, one of the last steps now is to dry them off. More paper towels. Yep. Dry. And there you have it. Look at that. Wow. What a difference. Look how clean that is. Yeah. All right. Try this one off. And yes, nice. Okay. So also what I like to do is take some of this nice smelling spray. Take this in the soles here. Spray the hell out of it. Stinky feet, huh? Alright. Just put these out in the sun. And then right in the luggage, ready to go. Whoa, Nike. Have you noticed that all these are just Nikes? Yeah, big Nike fan. Next pair, scrub these. Just like that, yep. Dry them. Nice and shiny. Done. Oh, don't forget the spray. Alright, done. Okay, last pair to dry off. Wow, these look really brand new. Jeez. Nice. Okay, spray them. Nice. Okay, so all 3 pairs of Nikes and my sandals, good to go, done. Oh, Nikes, Nikes, Nikes. Oh, yeah. Okay, so the big question is, do I recommend this product? Well, honestly, yeah, why not? Then again, I don't really have much experience with other shoe cleaners, so for the price, I guess, it's around $8, so yeah, sure. And you get a lot of it. I mean, this is 260 milliliters, so yeah. More ooh, smelling good. Smells delicious. Nikes. Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and put these outside so they can dry off, and yeah, put them in. So hope you guys enjoy that. Letting you guys know that I am going back. NateVlog travels. And yeah, keep your shoes clean, alright? Trust me, it doesn't look good if you have dirty shoes, alright? And also when I'm over there, I have something to clean my shoes with, because I'm telling you, they get dirty fast when walking around. I love to walk around, so yep, good thing to have. Actually, when I was in Hanoi, I had my shoes cleaned for, it was like $1 on the street. They have like all these shoe guys just on the streets cleaning, and yeah. But you don't really see that a lot when I go to the Philippines and stuff like that, so that's why it's good to have this. So if you don't have that, go find yourself a nice shoe cleaner. Alright? Yeah, so like and subscribe all the way. We will see you in the next video. The next one will be me taking off. This is it. Alright, don't forget to hit up the PayPal. Very needed, because you know where I'm going. Venmo, yep, very needed. Thank you so much for supporting. Description down below, that's where you can find it. Alright, go clean your shoes. Do it for sure. Bye bye, Nikes.